Hello, this is Matthew Talamini. I'm one of the developers for Hawk, which is a user tracking, error reporting, and access control tool you can find at usehawk.com. And I'm also one of the developers behind Now Renting. Now Renting has been using Hawk to find and diagnose bugs, and I'm here today to show you just what that looks like. Alright, so this is the Hawk homepage. We're seeing live screen views of Now Renting users here. You can get to the errors page by clicking up here. Well, we've got quite a few errors here, hoping to get that number down a little bit. Let's have a look at our JavaScript errors. Got some filtering options on the side here, as well as advanced filters here that can help you trim down the number of error reports that you're seeing. Let's look at this one. Cannot read property top of undefined. That should be a pretty easy fix, and it seems to be happening quite a bit. So let's have a look at that. This is happening on one of our landing pages, so we definitely want to take care of this. Stack trace is not super helpful, but it looks like we're using jQuery to ask JavaScript to do something it doesn't want to do. Let's have a look at the screenshot here. Yeah, so this is definitely the blog landing page. Let's just have a look at this error. Nowrenting.com. Bring up my console. Go to that page. Let's see. It's happening on scroll, so that makes sense of why it's happening so many times. Great, so I'm going to sign off and fix this real quick, and I will be right back with you. Alright, the bug should be fixed now. Let's reload this page and see. Yep, good, no more error. So back to Hawk. On the error page here, we've got this resolve button. There are a couple of options here to help you manage your error reports. If the error report you're looking at isn't really a bug, not like this one, but like if what you're looking at is expected behavior, it doesn't impact user experience at all, so you just don't ever want to see it again, mark it not a bug. Now if you do that, we'll show you a filter here that will catch future occurrences of this particular error. Now if the filter we're showing you here is too narrow or too broad, you should change it. Hawk has extremely deep, robust filtering capabilities. You can set it up to catch exactly the behavior that you want. If you hit confirm here, this filter goes into a list, and whatever error reports match it, Hawk won't show you. But this actually was a bug, so we want to tell Hawk that it's fixed. When you mark an error report fixed, Hawk won't show it to you anymore unless it happens again. So, not a bug is for if it's going to keep happening and you just never want to see it. Fixed is for if you don't want to see it anymore, but if it happens again, you do want to see it. We're going to mark this fixed because I fixed it. And there we go. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. If you think your team could use a tool like this, check out usehawk.com. We've got a full functionality, 7-day free trial period, user tracking, live session view, error reports, and access control security features, including push button, two-factor authentication. We think it's really useful and we use it ourselves. Thanks for watching.